Awesome is flying. Awesome is flying. Excellent has followed. Wow. With the LED lights. That's so cute. Wow. Is that an accident?
Yeah.
Girls, make use of your brakes. Essie, come, turn back. Wow, Cherry sharp protagonist. Don't collide though. Cherry sharp protagonist. Yes, are flying. Girls are flying. Awesome. AC. Oh my God, excellent. You girls are flying now. Cherry sharp protagonist. Awesome, take it easy, Biko. These are the beautiful scooters. This one belongs to Cherish and it's a bigger one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys. How are you guys doing? Hope good. Yes, today we got a vlog about the kids and their new scooters. Yeah, daddy loves them. Love for them. Hey guys, can you greet honey?
Hello guys.
Hey guys, I'm Linda from Linda Michaels TV. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome, okay? Just be part of this channel and flow with us. And if you've been there watching my videos, God bless you real good. Keep being your sis fam, okay? Love you all. Let's dive into the video.
Cherries, come and show us here.
So, these are three beautiful scooters. Which belongs to who?
This is my scooter.
Really?
It's
Nice.
really big and beautiful.
Good.
I know which one is my scooter. My
Which
scooter
one?
is either of these ones. So I think either of these two. So I think it's definitely this one.
Okay, good, excellent. And which one?
I think this one is my scooter and this one really bad. I don't know which one is
Okay, they're the same actually. They're both the same pink color. So they have it in blue and in pink. I know anyone that takes blue here, the rest won't let that person rest because they'll be saying it's for boys. So they decided to go for both pink. I wasn't there with them. They just went for shopping with their daddy, and on coming back they brought the scooters home. So daddy, thank you so much. Guess what must you say to daddy?
Thank you so much.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I love you, daddy.
so much. I love you so much.
So now we're gonna unbox them to keep the memories
Stuff from mine.
for them, you know. And when you are dealing with kids, you save some memory for them for future's sake. So guys, let's lose this scooter and fix them with you guys. Yeah, Cherish.
So we're starting with my scooter.
Okay.
I know how to open it.
Wow. Another pinky thing. Black and pink. Looks good.
Let's share this open.
Is it heavy? Daddy, can you come and help? It's kind of heavy for her.
So this is the
The
manual,
manual.
and there's these two things. We don't know what they're for.
The money looks
Okay, the manual.
Wow, this looks really good.
Oh my god!
it's so pretty.
Oh my god!
Pretty to show the daddy. Your scooter is big and pretty.
Oh jeez.
That's what we need the mattress for. We need this to fix these things. This one is either one or one.
There you go. You can keep the wrapping paper.
And this, you need it. No. Anything.
So easy to fix.
Oh, we take the knife. No, there's still something.
And hopefully
It looks
you like
really
these.
big. So guys, cherry scooter is ready now.
Oh, you look like that's going on tonight.
It's like
Has brake. This is your brake. You know.
Yes.
So you have to learn how when you move like this. You're going to when you want to brake, you do it like this. When you're moving your leg, one of your leg will be like this. Maybe this one will be like this, and you will be moving. When you want to brake, you do it like this to brake. So this is what you will learn. Okay?
Okay.
That's the brake. Not the matching putting your shoe on the floor to brake.
You make use of your brake. That's what he's teaching you. So you don't use your shoes or leg to be destroying it on the road while braking. Just use your brake.
Okay.
Yeah, after we go out and give it a try.
That's what we understand how.
Okay, cherish on is set and done. What?
Let's take your shoe.
Okay, now we do awesome and excellence on.
Secondly.
Okay, no problems.
Because I want to make excellent happen, I'm just gonna let her own these second.
Okay, good sister.
Daddy, this one.
They want you to do excellent.
Okay,
on.
excellent on first.
Awesome gave her the French
So,
things.
excellent, you can unbox here.
Excellent, you've used it, you've opened the box. Good, so let's see it so Daddy can help you
Yeah,
fix
bring
it
it
up.
out.
Yeah. Wow, looks good.
Okay, let me see.
There's the board.
After you go and bring those two we bought before, so I show people the difference
You see?
between these yeah.
Yeah.
Because we already bought this thing for them, but those ones we are not tricycle like. They don't have these two legs, so they don't balance. They keep staggering, kind of saying they keep staggering on it. So we decided to get them the ones that have balance,
Yeah.
so they can balance. Go get those ones.
Okay.
Yeah, the first ones we bought.
Excellent is now 4 years old. Daddy. This thing.
So easy. So easy to fix.
Start, let me see. I don't, is this your height?
No, it has to go up. It's slow.
You want me to go, you want it to go up again?
It will go up. Slow. It should go more. Now you have balance now, so you should do this one very well. Good. That's staggering. Yeah. You can do better with this. Excellent, don't stagger. This one has 2 tires in the front, so focus and balance yourself.
It's the first time
Yeah.
something, so allow her to learn. Okay. Okay, awesome.
Good, it's perfect.
So unboxing her.
All right, guys. These are the ones who just got them like a month ago, 2 months. It's not long. Yeah. Not days. shut up. Just barely a month ago. This one is for awesome and this one is for excellent. When they're right, the cake turns staggering left and right.
Awesome is
ready.
Awesome is ready.
Alright, I'm coming. Awesome, I'm coming to snatch it. So without any balance, one leg. So that's why we had to get them, the two-legged ones. Yeah. So be fast about it. Okay? Wow.
Very
good.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Just simple.
Wow.
I have done it.
So, but the difference would be the height, you know. Awesome's own will be higher than Excellence own. So that would be a big difference for them. Differentiate it to that.
Man, I love. Hey, don't ruin my scooter. This is my new baby.
Yeah, I know you will fly with this one. I told you
You
that you will fly to Lagos.
I'll go outside and play with your scooter.
Now we test it outside, okay?
Mommy, can we go on a walk?
I'm not going with you, but I'll just
Watch us out there.
out there. I'm not going for a
I'll put
walk.
on my shoes, guys. Let's
I'll
go.
be going to work tomorrow, so I need some rest. Awesome is flying. Awesome is flying. Excellent has followed. Wow. With the LED lights. That's so cute. Wow. Is that an accident? Yeah. Girls, make use of your brakes. Essie, come, turn back. Wow, Cherry sharp protagonist. Don't collide though. Cherry sharp protagonist. Girls are flying. Girls are flying. Awesome. AC. Oh my God, excellent. You girls are flying now. Cherry sharp protagonist. Awesome, take it easy, Biko. Some classmates just walked past now. Yeah. Don't tell me she lives there. We never knew. You see this place, you can never know your neighbor. Is that Melek? She lives there. Wow. And next door neighbors, not like immediate next door neighbors. We always meet on the way to school. We don't know where she comes out from. Except for now that the brother entered the house with her. The girls no nebu, girls are protagonist. Excellent, take it easy, Biko, before you collide. Stop rushing. Take it easy, JJ. Cherish, no, don't rush. Mind your sisters. Mind them. Okay, guess I'm going in. Please.
No, Mama.
At least you are perfect with it. I see you are doing well. What else? I can't go on a stroll now, but next time I can. Stop, Excellent. Use your brake. Stop. Wow. Somebody's pressing her leg. Oh, she's sports riders. Good. I like how you make use of your brake this time. That's perfect. Okay.
Look at me, everybody. Look at me. Watch out.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Daddy.
Good.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at me. Vibing in the summer.
Yes, I'm here.
Careful, eh? Everybody should be careful.
Okay, Daddy. I love you.
Love you, my baby. Enjoy yourself,
I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
Enjoy your summer.
Let's see who wins.
How was
There's
that?
nothing like making your children happy. When they're happy, you yourself will feel fulfilled. Even if you don't have it all, once your kids are satisfied, you feel you have it all because they are okay. So their happiness matters a lot. So we thank our daddy so much. I was actually at work the day he got this, so he did well. It's a surprise sort of. So thanks to him. Don't collide.
Always make me want to eat it.
It was the best time of my life, really. It's so easy to go on this trip.
Mommy. Mom.
So girls, I'm giving you the rules now. So for playing this scooter here, this flower here
Yes, Mom.
is the finish line, the stop line here.
Okay.
No one should pass this line. You stop here. No one should go there. It's so close to the road.
Okay.
So when you stop here, you start stopping from there, you know. You start holding yourself, slowing your speed. Then this is the stop line, so you don't go across the road.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's the stop line. So you practice it. Let me see if you will
Okay.
get it.
I'm a master at this. Look. I'm gonna go.
Good. I like how you're going now. So cool. Not too speedy. Good. That's the stop line because this is road and I wouldn't like you to make any mistake.
You have to stop at the stop line.
Good. Yeah, it's good too. Good. Perfect. So even if I'm not around, anyone guiding you, you just know that this is the finish line for you.
The slow it down line.
Yeah, this is the starting point for slowing and you finish it here.
Okay.
Let me watch you. Perfect. That's good. That's good. Good girls.
They weren't even going fast in the first place. They're so slow. Oh.
Yeah. Mm.
That was a good ride.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Bye.
This could be.
Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. There's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys.